Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear RAM on your iPhone ios26. For example, if you notice your iPhone is now taking too much time while opening the apps or anything slows down, and if you want to clear your RAM so that it will make your iPhone work faster. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically, iPhone automatically clears your RAM when you restart your iPhone, but there is some specific method which automatically clears your RAM on the spot if you do that method. So if you want to do that, then you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the setting and you have to turn on the assistive touch settings. First of all, you have to go to accessibility and you have to turn on the touch, and after that you have to turn on the assistive touch, and after that what you have to do, you have to turn on the assistive touch and you have to quickly process volume up button while you initiate the shutdown screen. So you have to simply follow the procedure. You have to go to settings and after that you have to go to accessibility. In accessibility you have to go to touch and you have to turn on the assistive touch. Now what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the simply touch. Now you can simply press and hold the volume down button and you can simply initiate the power button, and here you can simply turn on the your assistive touch and you have to click on custom, and after that you have to press and hold the volume down button. After that your iPhone will be able to restart automatically. So in this way you can simply restart your iPhone RAM and you can simply clear all the RAM while following the procedure. What is the procedure? I can repeat. So here you have to simply turn on the assistive touch and after that you have to initiate the shutdown screen, and as you turn on the shutdown screen you have to quickly press volume up button, and after that quickly press and release volume down button, and you have to press and hold the power button and slide to power off to screen to the power off screen it appears, and after that you have to simply turn on your screen again and you have to check whether your iPhone now working properly or not. In this way you can simply clear your screen. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.